Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll walk you through how to buy Labubu collectibles directly from the Pop Mart app. First, download the Pop Mart app on your phone. It's available on iOS and Android. Once installed, sign up or log in and make sure you verify your account so you can shop without issues. Next, tap on the Shop tab, search for Labubu, and you'll see different collections like blind boxes, plush dolls, or full sets. If you want the surprise experience, choose a blind box. If you want the entire lineup, look for whole set. Check the release time for new drops. Most Labubu collections sell out fast. It's smart to log in a few minutes early and refresh the page so you're ready when they go live. When you find what you want, add it to your cart. Select your payment method and confirm checkout quickly. These items go fast, so speed matters. And that's it. Download the Pop Mart app, search Labubu, and grab your favorites before they sell out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorial.